My name is Mubanga. I'm the owner of Stango Cuisine, co-owner with my partners that are unfortunately not here today. So we have Stango Cuisine. This is Stango Cuisine. It's a Zambian restaurant. And in fact, people ask me, what does Stango mean? Stango is just a slang for America, actually, in my country. So that's how we just came up with it. We'll just call it Stango Cuisine. Otherwise, it's a Zambian restaurant. In fact, the first and only Zambian restaurant in the United States. So the way we came up with it, me and my partner, we like to travel a lot. Really, we've been to a lot of states in the United States, and our aim is to finish all 54 states. But each time we go, we like to visit the African, family-owned restaurants. And whenever we go, we like our food. There's no Zambian restaurant anywhere. So me and my partner, we were like, you know what? Let's open up a restaurant and showcase our food for the Zambian restaurant. And here we are. Without knowing, we decided to open the restaurant in Urbana with no clue of how it was going to be received. But Urbana has been so good to us. The people here are diverse, they're so supportive, they are just ready to try everything, and they've embraced our food. And what was surprising actually is a lot of people have been to Zambia, have been to Africa, you know, Central Africa, because I mean, we are down South Central. They kind of like relate, oh, Nshima especially. That they're like, yeah, we've missed Nshima, so we're so excited to find Nshima around here. Yeah, and that's actually what I'm going to make, is the Nshima that is our staple food in Zambia. This goes anytime, pretty much. Breakfast, if you have a hangover, you go for Nshima. Lunch, it takes you all day, pretty much. It fills you up. It's a carb, but it's not the impact carb that you would feel like it's gonna put weight on you and stuff like that. It's on the, I don't know if there's light carb, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, but yeah, that's the best that you wanna eat, and you can eat it with any meats. And for the vegetarians, vegan, you can eat it with any vegetables, greens, beans, anything on the vegetable side. Otherwise, it goes with anything. It doesn't really have a taste because you get the taste from whatever you're eating with. Any kind of meats, any kind of vegetable, that blends in together. That's where you get the taste. Yeah. Unfortunately, with COVID, we've reduced our hours. We used to do breakfast. We were opening from 8 to 8 p.m. Unfortunately, now we are opening from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and then 4 to 8 p.m. So I've temporarily suspended breakfast. So I'm only doing the dinner, pretty much just serving from our signature meals. So anytime 11 to 2, you can get our signature meals. That's what we're serving right now. You can access our food from Grubhub, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Eat Street. And we also have our food stocked up in Chinooks and Common Grounds. So all Chinooks, Urbana, Champaign, Savoy, and Mahomet. And we hope to expand as far as Bloomington, Peoria, and all that, once we get everything together. Otherwise, you can get our food from there. Yeah, and our most famous now thing that everybody's going for is our ginger juice. Yeah, everybody loves our ginger juice, and you can also find that in the stores. Yeah. Otherwise, you can even also call in for pickup, which we're doing. Our number is 844-497-6835. You can access that on our website, on Facebook. We have our thing there, which is even good because you call in, get 20 minutes, we prepare your food, you just come over and pick it up. Yeah.